Alright, so we're going to solve a basic one-step equation. The key to solving an equation is to get the variable, in this case, x, alone. We're going to do this by using inverse operations. The inverse of adding 7 is subtracting 7, so I'm going to subtract 7. And to keep both of the sides equal, we need to make sure to subtract 7 on both sides of the equation. So on the other side of the equal sign, I'm going to say minus 7. 7 minus 7 is 0, and we have still the x left over here. And we have 9 minus 7 is 2. So we have x equals 2. Please pause and try the one on the right. So this question, this time we have x plus 3 equals 12, whereas our first question on the left we had x plus 7 equals 9. We had to use inverse operations to get rid of the 7, so we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to use the inverse of adding 3, and that is subtracting 3. To keep it equal, we got to do it on both sides of the equal sign, so we're going to do that here. 3's add to 0. We still have the x. 12 minus 3 is 9. So our answer is x equals 9. So this is Mr. Cucumber showing you a one-step equation. There'll be more examples available. If you ever have any questions, feel free to send and ask. Thank you.